lick 3. We go from 15, B, 14, 13, and then we'll do a hammer on to 14 and a pull off to 13. Half bend on a G14 to G12 to D14 back to G12. And the notes for that first part in lick 3 are D, a C sharp, a C, B flat, a G, and an E. And again, we're using the B flat as a minor note. And there is this sharp. That sharp right here, that C sharp, is not really part of the two scales, the G minor or the G major scale. But it's sort of like a grace note. So if you would just play it by itself, it wouldn't sound good, but because you're kind of use it as a grace note, it fits really well. Okay? Part 2 of lick 3. Okay? Again, we're using a B flat, D, A, G, and E. The B flat obviously is the minor note in an otherwise major lick. Full bend on the G14. I use my ring finger to bend. Use all the other fingers to help me do that full bend. And then with the pinky on the B15. And then a pull off from G14 to 12 to D14 back to G12. And let that ring, okay? And then we're going to this. This is part 3 of lick 3. An F, a G, and a B. The F again is the minor. So what we do is we do a half bend on B17. Then we'll do twice the E17. Then a bend again on the B17. Twice the E again. Then a bend the third time. And only once the E, and then we'll go directly to the B16. Okay, so that is lick 3.